Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you some of the top tricks and features on this device. So first feature is this super camera. As you can see, this device has 4 cameras, and it has this big zoom, and also it has this fish eye ultra wide camera too. The next feature is this giant screen. As you can see, it's like bigger than my hand. I will show you that it's like 2040 x 1080 pixels here. And the last best feature today is this new navigation bar, like on the iPhone devices. There is no this buttons like back, recent, home. You just have this navigation bar here, and you can access your opened applications here. You can just close them here. You can switch between them like this. Pretty useful. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.